The happiest time in the month is when I get these monthly subscriptions. Today we will be seeing what we got for the Ipsy glam bag for the month of October. I literally just received it. I knew it was coming today. I just did my makeup. Oh, there's a lot of things outside of the bag. I wonder why. Usually it's just one thing. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. By the way, let me know in the comments what is your favorite beauty subscription, makeup subscription. Let me know in the comments. Let's see which one wins. Whoa, really like this bag. I have to say, maybe it's one of my favorite bags ever. I think I would have liked it better maybe if it was black with silver, just because I'm a silver person. And then you're like, really? But you have gold on. Yeah, I like both. It's a nice bag. Here says Your Magic. Then I also have some things outside the bag. Should we start with that? I think so. Okay. So we have a brush. And this is by, this looks like a Moda brush. We get a pamphlet or not? Hold on. Oh, okay, I was gonna say. Pamphlet says Your Magic. The pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara this month cast the spell on yourself. In a peek here, they finally put the items here with the prices. I think they've listened to us. They were doing that for a while and then they stopped. It's like, why? Then why are you sending this? Fan brush, you can apply your highlighter with this. It's really nice. I love the black. Motor brush, Pro Fan Brush, and this says retails for $5.99. The synthetic bristles are super soft, no streaky product application. I don't want to read like the whole thing for you, that would be boring. But that is so nice. It is very soft. Again, I love it. Always am happy receiving brushes. You guys know that. Can't get enough. Second thing that was outside the box was this. This is actually very cute. It's tiny. I just love like mini things. I don't know why. Pistachio body oil. I can tell you right now, I don't think I'm gonna like this. This sounds... I just don't like pistachio. AKA the boyfriend body butter. Baby soft skin, a great source of vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, all necessary for smooth baby soft skin. This is a deluxe sample and the full size retails for $28. Don't want to open it. I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna like the scent, so I will just keep it nice and close. And it says it's made in California. Putting this for a giveaway. Why even open it? So we have here, oh, we have a liquid lipstick. One is by the brand Lottie London. Slay All Day liquid lipstick in So Good. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $6.49. Be a pinky brown shade that goes from day to night. Highly pigmented velvet matte formula. Ultra long lasting and feels comfy on your lips. Maybe we can put this on. You see this shirt that I have on? It matches my nails. Ever since I got my nails painted this color, I've looked for every shirt in my closet that is like this color because I'm just crazy like that. It is made in China. Again, this is in the color So Good. I wish a BoxyCharm would have arrived today too. Okay, no scent. Let me do a swatch. Ooh, that is very pigmented. Let me just apply some. Wow. I don't know how well this is going with this makeup look, but very messy application, but I don't think you could see it that bad at far away. Something about when I do my makeup, I always get a runny nose. I don't understand. Like, am I allergic to something? I don't get it. I like this maybe to be a little bit more nude than that pink, but I like this color. I would definitely wear it. I'm just saying I'm like a nude girl, but like this color is very pretty. Next thing we have here, oh, these colors look nice. Illuminati Cosmetics Squad Palette in Secret Society. Colors look so pretty. Never ever heard of this brand. It says the only 4 matte and shimmer shadows you need to stun this fall. Powder shadows are highly pigmented, so what you see in the pan is what you'll see on your lids. I hope so. You guys know these colors are like everything to me. Look like the shades from like the Huda palette, the, what is it? Obsessions palette, Nude Obsessions palette. They're so pretty. I'll swatch them. They're 100% vegan and cruelty free too. $21. Some swatches. I'll try to do it here. I'm glad that you have mattes and shimmers. Oh my god, looks so good. Definitely get use out of this. So they look light, but they just, oh my god, they're so pretty. I don't know if they sent this out in different shades. See if this, let me know. But I'm glad I got this because they're very pretty. And we have this. No. No, hold on. Are you serious? It's a full size? I think this is a full size. This is by Ofra. This is the blush in Rose. Never tried Ofra blushes. I've only tried their highlighters and I'm obsessed with. Go more for like peachy shades, but this one looks very pretty. Flush. What? A fresh, rosy flush never goes out of style. This gorgeous shade delivers the right amount of color to warm up the complexion in an instant. Love baked blushes for their staying power. I love baked blushes too, like my Milani Luminoso. Oh yeah. This retails for $29. Wow. And I'm sorry if I don't repeat the same thing all the time, but this bag is like what? $13 with tax or $14 or $12, something like that, but definitely getting our money's worth here. I think the only fail for me here was this. Curl brush onto the apple of your cheeks and blend towards your ear. Well, let me swatch this color. Looks like a beautiful matte. Thank you very much. I'm totally into mattes. Just trying to build it so you can see. That looks so pretty. I think that's gonna look gorgeous on the cheeks. These two were my favorite things from everything. I would say the palette. This, yeah, I could definitely wear this color, and it's nice and matte. It's like completely dry. And look at that. It doesn't feel sticky. Maybe just a tiny bit, but barely. That looks really good. It's super pigmented. It didn't have to go over it a million times, and you got a lot of color. So that is matte. Will always prefer, well, not always, I can change my mind, but as of now I always prefer mattes. Bag is absolutely beautiful, so I don't know what I'm most happiest about, like the things I got or this bag. I really love this bag. I'm just gonna say that it's my #1 out of like all the years that I've been getting Ipsy. Good job, Ipsy. You've done wonderful for this month. I actually did not receive it last month. It was like the only month I think that I paused it. I just saw the bag and I was like, no, it just doesn't look pretty to me. I don't know if I should get it next month. What do you guys think? Let me know. Definitely remember, BoxyCharm is coming soon. I'm just waiting patiently. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.